Do you ever feel like you're juggling so many projects? It's another Tuesday. You have 5 different projects to complete, and the shopping list that's undone. One of your project deadlines is tomorrow. What if I told you that you can use AI as an assistant to simplify your daily routine? Let's explore 7 actionable ways that AI can help transform your life into a smoother, more peaceful journey. Just started raining. I hope you guys can hear that. Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the crazy world of artificial intelligence and looking at multiple ways that it can help take the chaos out of our lives. This video is going to help 2 people. First person is probably hustling in a busy work environment, and the second person is just trying to manage their daily life choices and things that they have to do. No matter what you're going through, AI is going to help you to find that balance and clarity. Plus, I'm going to introduce you to a platform called Once.ly, filled with tools that are going to help make leveraging AI easier than ever. Alright, kind soul, the first way you can use AI to simplify your life is by making use of those AI assistants on our cell phones. Those smart AI assistants are there for a reason. They are there to help you with daily tasks, such as making reminders, setting alarms, and also sending out quick text messages so you don't have to stop your workflow just to respond to somebody. AI assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, or even Alexa can help you manage your calendars or even make grocery orders. I use an iPhone, so trust me, I'm using Siri almost every day. My favorite tip is whenever I lose my phone, I simply say, "Hey Siri," and I hear her voice at the other side of the room, and I know that's what my phone is. And she can do way more than that. Just ask and let your virtual assistant handle all these menial tasks while you continue to do the things that you love and make you money. After a long day of working, you definitely want to relax and wind down something soothing like music or entertainment. Here, you can use AI tools on Spotify and Netflix that give you recommendations. You can definitely rely on them to curate music and movie recommendations to your taste because they know what you like to watch. They know what you're watching for longer periods of time. So they're going to choose recommendations that are going to keep you entertained and they're also going to like without you having to use that brain power and time to search for something entertaining. This way, you can spend less time searching and more time actually enjoying the movie before your food gets cold. Another hack is that Spotify DJ is going to get you right every time. If you have Spotify Premium, please try out the Spotify DJ on there. He's literally insane because how is he giving me music taste that I haven't actually heard before? Not even from what Spotify recommends to me. It's so amazing. Next time you want to post on social media, clear up some storage or even back up some files, leverage tools like Zapier or IFTTT because that's what they're made for. They're definitely not difficult to use. They just take a little bit of practice, and you can also set up triggers and actions that are going to help you streamline your workflow and keep you focused while you continue to chase your creative pursuits. Parti français ou chinois peut-être? When was the last time you cracked open that Duolingo? I know it's somewhere on your phone gathering dust. I'll have you know that educational platforms like Duolingo and Coursera now have AI assistants that tailor your learning experience to your style. These platforms provide personalized lessons, and you can even give feedback on those lessons, which makes the learning style more engaging and interactive, obviously, which is going to keep you more motivated to continue. Parce que pourquoi tu arrêtes? Now let's talk about Once.ly, your one-stop shop for all AI-related software. Imagine having access to writing assistants, design tools, and productivity enhancers all at your fingertips. With Once.ly, you can leverage AI tools and invest in your future with lifetime access for a one-time fee. No more payment plans. Whether you're a busy professional or a solopreneur, Once.ly makes AI software accessible and affordable. You can check out the link in the description. The site is pretty user-friendly and there are tons of AI software on there. If you're a designer, you can also list your own software on there. You can also sign up with my link in the description. I will get a small commission, but that has nothing to do with whatever apps you decide to use. I know I'm not the only person that has a terrible sleep cycle. I'm making this video currently at 1 a.m. in the morning because I cannot sleep. Ever since I hit this particular time in my 20s where I've been grinding and working and hustling nonstop, my sleep schedule is basically non-existent. I know it messes real bad with my REM and my circadian rhythm, and also I can feel it in my body the next day and in how I act. So I make sure to use apps like MyFitnessPal and Sleep Cycle to track my nutrition and my sleep patterns. These apps help me make informed decisions as to when I go to sleep, what I should eat, and also how many hours of quality sleep I need from the night before. I also like to track the calories in the food I eat on my fitness pal because you never really know how many calories are in a Pringle or in Fox's cookies until you see it. It's really mind-blowing. There you have it. 7 actionable ways to leverage AI to simplify your life. I know it might sound daunting, the world we currently live in with artificial intelligence even being a thing, but AI can truly simplify your life and help make things easier in your daily routine. It can make it work for you while you take that time that you're getting back to put it towards something that actually matters in your life or to just get some proper rest. I know how hard you work. You're on my channel, I can tell. So if you're ready to embrace these transformational technologies, do not forget to check out OneSleep, which is just a treasure trove for AI software and tools at your disposal. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, hit the notification bell for more insights on how to simplify your life with technology. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.